What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with our very first Dogecoin video, guys. Right, the meme of the meme coin of all meme coins, right? The Elon Musk coin, if some people call it, right? Man, so many crazy things happen with that coin, and I think a lot of people don't believe in it anymore. But I have an interesting take on it. We're going to talk about all that, the good, the bad, and the crazy in these crazy crypto spaces. But as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before I go over there and hit you. All right. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But as always, the information we share here is strictly education, entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. All right. You just do whatever you want to do your own due diligence. I'm just going to share my thoughts and what we're doing over here in the bullish currency community. But Dogecoin, guys, a very interesting coin that made a lot of people very, 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 very rich, who got in really, really, really early. And it's just, this happens a lot with these meme coins. You see some crazy gains and crazy drops and crazy long consolidations. And that's kind of what's happening right now. But we're going to get into that. Before we do, let's just take a look at these numbers. Okay, so everything's obviously red, like it should be. Everything else is down. Why wouldn't Dogecoin be down as well, right? Now let's go ahead and just scroll down. Now, of course, we can't forget that Elon Musk said that when it comes to like transactions or whatever, this is more effective than Bitcoin. I mean, so Elon Musk really does believe in this project. So he has said great things about it. He has money in it. So I do believe long term we're going to see a resurgence of Dogecoin. So don't sleep on it, guys. This could just be a great opportunity. As you can see, the holders are increasing. That's for a reason, guys. Right? We had some big sell-offs, big whales, got out. A lot of selling activity happened, but overall, the holders are increasing. I mean, we're talking about 4.6 million, so I think, and just think about it. Look at 4.6 million. Freaking SHIB was only at 1.6 mil right now. So imagine when they go triple, where's Shiba going to be, right? It's just crazy when you think about these things. But the army is still growing strong for Doge very quietly because a lot of people aren't talking about it. But I do believe you're gonna see a resurgence of this, and this could be a great opportunity based on where it's at in price. And we're gonna take a look at the chart here in a second. Here we go. Let's see if there's any news. Actually, let's check some news. Any news going on here? Dispose of Dogecoin and meme stocks. North Island chairman's outlook for 2022. Wow. Interesting. Obviously, people don't like these coins. They don't like them. They don't see a value in them. Let's go ahead and take a look here. So as you can see on the weekly chart, we are just basically right here on a 786 retracement area, which is very typical in crypto. We talked about this last time. We see it all the time. These 70, 80% retracements, they're very common. And then the consolidation is very common. So you see something similar to right here, where it made its big move, dropped a little, dropped at least 30, 40%. And consolidating before another big move. Now, this time it dropped from the high. It dropped in basically about a good solid 70%. And now you see this potential resurgence from this area because we're on a strong support area. The only thing that's throwing me off is I see a bearish pattern here on the weekly. So I do think there could be good chances that everything does go a little bit more bearish, including Dogecoin. And we can probably see Dogecoin return back down to 10 cents, which would be great. Okay, guys, because if that happens, you already know what I'm thinking. Okay, even if it came back down to 17 cents, I'm already starting to consider things. Even where it is right now, if I had no experience and never looked at Doge or anything like that, I'd be thinking this is a great area to look into the project. This candle right here is throwing me off. This potential big bear pattern that's popping up is throwing me off for considering this as a legit great area, but it doesn't mean that it's 100% true, because nothing is 100% true in your analysis. Nothing. You can get 90%, you can get 95%, you can get 80%, 85%, but you can't get 100%. So as much as I see some bearish patterns, some bearish movement now, does not mean it's actually going to break through and end up down here. So what we got to do, we'll zoom in, we'll go down lower time frames, and we'll take a look at the actual candlesticks. So we had great little bullish patterns down here that clearly showed us great signs of bullish behavior, and it literally went right here and doubled. That was a double up. That was a quick 100% move during this bear market. Right? And it happened again almost, right? Same type of pattern. Nice 70% gain, 60% gain there. Now we're here again in the same exact area. So it kind of makes sense that people are buying right now and the holders are increasing, because this could be a great area in general. Worst case scenario is, it breaks through, comes down to 10 cents, and you lose about 50, 60, 55% of your investment. I think that's what I would be looking at for me personally. But all these coins give all the right patterns and everything that let you know when to get out, when to get in. You just got to understand the chart. That's just got to understand the chart. So I think, based on what I'm seeing, we can see some consolidation more for sure in this area, but I could also see it from here start to push back up at least to 44 cents. But, I'm not opposed to it breaking through and getting down to 10 cents, guys. So I'm going to wait, pay attention, see what happens. But, the 17-cent area is also, the 17 and 18-cent area is also very much a good range, good price range for it to maybe dip to, and then we can see a big move. Don't look, guys, don't sleep on Doge. That's 4.6 million holders that believe in this coin. 4.6, guys. That's no joke. That's not something to take lightly. The army is strong with this one. And all they have to do is have Elon tweet about it some more, or make it very much useful more, and start accepting it in different places more, and, like anything else. And we can see this thing really shoot up to $1. All right. I think $1 is very doable with Doge, to be honest. We were basically there at one point. I think it could definitely go up to multiple dollars, to be honest. But we'll see. Definitely returning to its previous all-time high is a huge possibility. And that's like a nice 4x and above move just from where it is. So I like it. I like where it's at. I'm still overall bullish on this project just because the army is strong. The holders are increasing. We're just consolidating. It's not just completely dumping off, like some people think meme coins are just going to do. No, we do see these crazy retracements, but they're not just going to go from where they're at to zero unless it's a big old rug, right? It's not going to. The same thing's not going to happen like what happened with whatever was called Squid Game or whatever that token was, right? The squid thing. I don't watch that show, so I have no idea. But yeah, it's not a rug, right? It's legit. So we can see a rebound. Don't sleep on it, guys. Keep your eye on it, especially this critical area of 22 cents. All right, pay attention. Is that 22 cents? I don't know. I'm looking at a different chart. I'm looking at the let me see. It's gonna change my chart. Okay, 16 cents. Yeah, the chart is completely different when you switch. Yeah, so pay attention to this critical area here. We get a bullish pattern here. It'd be great. All right, I'll definitely be paying attention. I'll update on this as much as I can. This is not something people are caring about too much these days lately, but I don't know. I think the holder says otherwise. We're literally 6.8, 6.6 billion. That's crazy. I mean, million holders. That's insane. So, all right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay bullish.